What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets, and we just released this brand new hoodie. So not only does this hoodie get you automatically entered to win free wheels and free tires, but it also benefits breast cancer research, and it's pretty much good for a lot of other things too.
Since it's cooling down, we figured it'd be the perfect time to release a new hoodie that's great for everything, like walking your dog or carrying it if it's too stubborn.
Carving pumpkins.
Like driving with the top down in your ZL1 convertible. Hanging out in the beer cooler.
Oh, is that White Claw?
Driving your truck with the windows down.
Cracking a cold one with the boys. For those cold days in the office.
Hanging out in the shop.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can we do for you?
Hi, can I get a tall pumpkin spice latte?
Getting lost in corn mazes. And if that's not enough for you, this hoodie also does two more things. So not only does it get you entered to win free wheels and free tires from TIS and Atturo, we'll mount them, balance, and ship them right to you so you can bolt them on. But it also, you guys, when you grab this hoodie and get entered to win, it's going to also help us make a contribution at the end of the contest to the Susan G. Komen Foundation to fight breast cancer and have new breast cancer research so we can prevent the disease and the deaths from this. So I know it's affected me personally and my family. It's affected a ton of people worldwide. So we really are proud to stand behind this and help those guys out so they can do all of that. So if you want to get entered to win, it's customoffsets.com/giveaway. It goes live right now. This is a limited quantity item. We only bought 1,000 of these, so you got to get one before your size sells out. customoffsets.com/giveaway. Peace.